AutoCAD Electrical Training, Intermediate. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. This 12-hour instructor-led AutoCAD electrical training course helps participants develop stronger drafting efficiency, project organization skills, and consistent documentation practices using AutoCAD Electrical in real-world electrical design environments. What you'll learn. Students will learn how to create, modify, organize, and manage electrical design documentation using AutoCAD Electrical. The course covers schematic development, panel layouts, project structure, template creation, annotation standards, and automation tools that improve drafting speed and accuracy. Participants also work with blocks, tool palettes, parametric drawing tools, coordinate entry, and drawing management techniques used in multi-drawing projects. This course delivers practical skills in standardized project workflows, drawing consistency, panel footprint editing, report generation, bill of materials creation, and preparing professional drawing sets for engineering review and construction use. Who should attend? This course is designed for electrical engineers, designers, control system designers, panel builders, CAD technicians, instrumentation and automation technologists, project managers, estimators, contractors, supervisors, and maintenance personnel who want to improve their AutoCAD electrical drafting and documentation skills. This course comes with the AutoCAD Electrical Tutorial Intermediate Certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, 100-page electrical protection handbook, and a $100 coupon toward future EFTI training. Advance your drafting productivity and improve the accuracy and consistency of your electrical documentation. Register today for EFTI's AutoCAD Electrical Training Intermediate.